Kids' friends are super into fidget trading. I saw they came out with a fidget trading mat here on TikTok. I had to get it. But guys, I don't know if I'm going to use this as a fidget trading mat or if I'm going to use it as a mouse pad. I think I can use it as either. I think me being the fidget queen, I should use this as my mouse pad, but also like when they come over, we can fidget trade. Look at this. This is so nice. So well made. I love that it is like a mouse pad. I'm going to tag this down below. Brand new here on TikTok. Go pick it up.